All right, quick 3-minute crash course on data protection and compliance. First, why should you care? Because data is money, trust, and liability. Lose it, misuse it, or leak it, and you lose customers, cash, and credibility. Definitions? Fast. Data protection means keeping data accurate, private, and secure. Privacy is what you collect, why, and who can use it. Security is how we protect it. Locks, alarms, and receipts for access. Know your data. Personal data includes name, email, IP address, and location. Sensitive data covers health info, finances, and biometrics. Classify it. Public, internal, confidential, restricted. Lifecycle matters. Collect only what you need. Data minimization. Use it only for the reason you said. Purpose limitation. Keep it only as long as required. Retention. Delete securely when done. No zombie backups. Core controls. Encrypt in transit. Encrypt at rest. Least privilege. MFA. Log who touched what and when. Backups and restore tests. Anonymize or pseudonymize when you can. Train everyone. Phishing, passwords, clean desk, report incidents. Vendors, sign a DPA, check their security, and limit their data access. Privacy by design and by default from day one. If something goes wrong, incident response. Detect, contain, investigate, fix, notify. Practice tabletop drills. Know breach notification timelines. Compliance basics. GDPR, have a lawful basis, consent or contract. GDPR user rights, access, delete, and port data. Do DPIAs, appoint a DPO when needed, and follow transfer rules. Big fines if you miss. CCPA, CPRA. Be transparent, offer opt-out of sale, sharing, delete, correct, and limit sensitive data use. HIPAA, privacy rule, security rule, breach rule. PCI DSS, limit scope, segment networks, never store full pans. ISO 27001, framework to build and audit your ISMS. Cloud reality check. Shared responsibility, provider secures infrastructure. You secure configs, identities, and data. Watch data residency and cross-border transfers. Map your data flows. Default deny, approve access with a timer. Automate baseline configs and vulnerability patching. Enforce encryption policies. Keep policies short, clear, and actually used. Audit regularly, fix gaps, document everything. Bottom line, collect less, protect more, prove it. Make privacy a feature, not a footnote. For a deeper dive, start with a data inventory and a simple policy checklist. Today. That's the course in 3 minutes. You've got this.